How to apply ndimage.generic_filter. I'm trying to learn ndimage and I can't figure how generic_filter function works. Documentation mentions that user function is to be applied to user-defined footprint, but somehow I can't make it. Here is example. I expected that x value passed to test function are those true footprint neighboring elements for each array sample, so in this example arrays with shape, 2, but I get above error. What am I doing wrong? How can I tell generic filter to apply simple value calculation on specified neighboring points?
The function passed in ndimage.generic_filter must map an array to a scalar. The array will be one-dimensional, and contain the values from it which have been selected by the footprint. For each location in Res, the value returned by the function is the value assigned to that location. That's why, naturally, the function needs to return a scalar. So, for example, would work.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.